as I shown in this data flow diagram. First we use if keyword, then the second we can check the condition while using relational operator. If the condition is true, then the statements will be executed, and the if else statement, if is a keyword, then we can use a condition using relational operator. It will be true and false. If it will be true, then the remaining statements will be executed. Now we can saw a DFT of if else letter. First we write if keyword, second condition statement is using relational operator. Third step, check the condition. If true, then fourth step, statement executes. But if condition is false, it goes to else. If condition and check true or false, these else if condition is used as per programming requires, then last it will be holds by else statement where the body will be executed. Now we can understand if statement. You can study it in C and C++. If a control statements, that means we executes the code in a block. If the condition is true, so the syntax is simplified. Just write the if keyword and conditions. For example, if 4 is divided by 2, then 4 is even number. Now a question for you, how to print a string without using semicolon. This tricky questions can be solved using if statement. In if statement is the only keyword where we do not need semicolon. So to print any string without using semicolon, we write the printf statement. Inside the if statement, if system.out.printf hello world equals to null. Remember, we can use print or println because these functions return nothing. Their return type is void. But printf returns print string, and if it returns something which we compares it with null, so either the condition will be true or false, but doesn't matters because to check conditions the JVM executes the code inside if, and we have printf, so our message get printed. This concept is using a balance. This concept is using a balance. One side there is a null and another side there is printf. But if you print and println, they returns nothing. So nothing to compare, but printf returns something. So hello world is printed. So these are code to print hello world without using semicolon. Let's run our code and hello world is printed. Not less receive a concept. So if the condition is true, then if block is executed, otherwise else block is executed. This is the simple program to check whether the number is odd or even. So let's run our program, and else block works. That is 5 is an odd number. If we have multiple if statements, we use if ladder as we discussed in previously. This is a simple program which displays remark to the students depends on his percentage and results. If fails. Now if we pass 95, the output will be executed. So do practice using if else statement. So if you have any doubt, just do and practice it. I thought you have already studied this in C and C++. It's having similar but different syntax.